Want to know how to use try catch blocks in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use try catch blocks to handle errors. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first step, you can just open up any compiler or application that runs Java. For me, I have this online compiler right here. Now, I have also copied up this code. You can just copy up and modify by yourself. By expanding the code in the try block, we divide 10 by 0, which definitely causes an error. But instead of crashing, the program jumps into catch block. So right here you can see this catch function or catch block right here. It catches the arithmetic exception and prints a friendly message. So instead of exiting with some random error codes, you can just simply catch the error and print it out just like this. So under catch arithmetic expressions and under its parenthesis, you can see error message right here. So it says error cannot divide by 0. So you can just simply run it up to check it and the output shows it all. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.